to my YouTube channel TechAJ, where we discuss different microcontroller related circuits, its Proteus design, and observe the simulation output. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications about my newly uploaded videos. For any query, you can reach out to me through a mail.
In this video, we'll understand how to create first project in MPLAB X. Go to the file, new project. Here, select microchip embedded and standalone project. Here, the family of devices and the devices under family has been given. We are creating the project for PIC18F 4550. So we'll select the family of microcontrollers, which is PIC18, advanced 8-bit MCUs. And here, from this list, we can select the PIC18F 4550. Now, hardware tool. We have to select the hardware tool which we are going to use while loading the hex file into the microcontroller. Okay. So I generally use PIC18F. So I'll select PIC18F. Then select the compiler. Two compilers have been given. One is the ASM compiler, that is assembly language compiler, and another is a C compiler. We are going to write the program in C language, so we have to select the XC8 compiler. If we have to write the program in assembly, we have to select the assembly language compiler. So I will select XC8. Now select the location where you want to create the project. Okay, so by browsing, we can select the location where you want to store the project and give some name to the project. And finish. So our first project has been created. Now to create the programming file, we have to use the source file folder. So here, if you observe, there are multiple folders have been created under the project: header files, important files, linker files, source files. So whatever the C programs we are going to write, all those C programs have been kept under the source folder. So right click, new, select C main file, give any name, and click on finish. So here is the C file where we can write our C program, compile it and convert it into the hex file.